Imagine a football match where the players aren't human, they're robots. The crowd roars as these humanoid machines sprint, dribble, and kick all on their own. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now in China. Chinese engineers have built fully autonomous robots that play football without remote control. These robots make real-time decisions, just like athletes. They use advanced AI to read the game, see the ball, teammates, and opponents. Balancing, running, and kicking is a huge engineering challenge. This isn't just a new sport, it's pushing the limits of robotics and AI. The future of robotics is here, and it's playing football. Welcome to the new League of Players. In Beijing, a recent exhibition match showcased these robots' abilities. Two teams, red and blue, took the field, moving with purpose and strategy. They tracked the ball, positioned themselves, and even communicated wirelessly to coordinate plays. Each robot is packed with sensors and a 3D vision camera, letting them see and judge distances like humans. Their onboard computers process data and make split-second decisions. Teamwork is built in, they share information and create strategies together. One robot can signal another to pass or defend, acting as a true team. During the match, a robot goalkeeper blocked a shot and a defender intercepted the ball. The highlight, a red robot dribbled past a defender and scored, thrilling the crowd. These moments showed the power of AI in action. The robots aren't just following orders, they're adapting and competing. Their coordination and quick thinking are what set them apart. The exhibition proved that robot football is more than a novelty. It's a glimpse of how intelligent machines can work together. The crowd's excitement was a sign. The future of robotics is here. These robots are more than machines, they're athletes in their own right. Every match is a test of technology and teamwork. The world is watching as China leads the way. The future of sports and robotics has arrived, and it's only getting started. Why is China investing in football-playing robots? It's about more than sports. This project is part of China's push to lead in AI and robotics by 2030. The football field is a public stage to showcase cutting-edge technology. The skills these robots learn, balance, navigation, decision-making, have real-world uses. Imagine rescue robots searching disaster sites, or navigating dangerous terrain. In factories, humanoid robots could work flexibly alongside people, handling complex tasks. Their ability to adapt and learn makes them valuable in unpredictable environments. The same AI that powers teamwork on the pitch could coordinate fleets of delivery or cleaning robots in smart cities. These robots could deliver packages, assist the elderly, or maintain public spaces. The football match is a training ground for robots that will help shape our future. It's a preview of intelligent machines becoming part of daily life. The technology is about making robots useful, adaptable, and safe. China's football robots are proof that machines can handle complex, dynamic jobs. The exhibition isn't just entertainment, it's a vision of what's next. The future of robotics is being built one match at a time. Autonomous football robots mark the dawn of a new sport, AI robot football. Imagine global tournaments where teams of robots powered by unique AI compete for glory. These matches test both engineering skill and athletic performance. Could robots one day rival human athletes? Technology is advancing fast. The real breakthrough is robots that think, strategize, and learn from every game. Watching them evolve is like witnessing a new intelligence grow. China's robots have opened the door to a future where humans and machines play, work, and live together. The game of football and the world may never be the same. Are you ready for a robot World Cup, or should some things stay human? The future of sports is here. What do you think?